everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video you will see how I made this hibiscus hair butter cream for my hair. Please keep watching and subscribe. For this hair butter cream, I will be using hibiscus powder. So I will take out the quantity I will be needing for this and add some almond oil to it and heat it up for about 10 minutes using double boiler method, and then let it infuse properly for about 2 days before using it. I also add little fenugreek seed to it as well.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
I'll be using shea butter and cocoa butter for this. These are my two favorite butter that I always use on my hair. My hair love it so much, and also I'll be adding a mousse fire to it since there is a presence of a liquid on it, which is aloe vera gel. So I'll be adding it and let it melt using double boiler method.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
While my butter is melting, I will go ahead and take out the aloe vera gel, then blend, after which I will use my cheesecloth to strain out the gel.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Right here, I will add the two ingredients together and start mixing. You can see my mixture is still watery. What I did here is to put it in the freezer and let it cool, then bring it out and start mixing it. I love using my hand mixer to mix my butter because I love the fluffy texture that I always get at the end of the whole process.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Added some preservative to it and start mixing it as well. I will continue whisking, whisk, I'll whisk it till I get the nice texture that I want, after which I will transfer it to my storage container and it's ready to use.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
So that will be all for this video. If you enjoy watching, please consider subscribing. Subscription is free, and also do not forget to turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one.